Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 51. The idiom today is to bite the dust. Somebody or something bites the dust. All right, let's take a look at the note. This idiom basically means that someone or something ends in failure or ceases to exist. We say to bite the dust. I think it comes from the old days with, cowboy duels. The person that got shot fell over, boom, fell into the street. Maybe his mouth is, biting the dust. So I think it kind of comes from that idea. But anyway, let's take a look at the first example here. Both of these examples have an A-B part. So let's look at the first one. Isn't it amazing how many mainstream newscasters are being accused of sexual harassment? Did you hear about Chris Matthews from MSN? And B might say, yes, it looks like another one is about to bite the dust. Okay, that's what we might say, especially if it's been happening a lot. Or number two, so many famous companies have declared bankruptcy this year. Did you hear about Toys R Us? Well, another one bites the dust. And there was a musical group a long time ago, Queen, I think, had the song, and another one, and another one down, and another one down, and another one bites the dust. So a lot of people always think of that, too. But anyway, basically means it's kind of failed. It's over. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.